Connexion specializes in mobility, specifically fleet management. We have the Connexion platform, which allows our customers to manage their fleets of vehicles all across the United States. My name is Angus, and I'm the Support and Customer Success Coordinator at Connexion. We're experiencing some authentication issues with our single sign-on into our digital experience Salesforce community from our platform. The implementation of the Salesforce communities or digital experiences that Out in the Clouds implemented for us assisted us having multiple platforms and being able to access the community page via each platform for multiple different types of users, connecting our site to the Salesforce support platform. The implementation of the Salesforce communities or digital experiences that Out in the Clouds implemented for us assisted us having multiple platforms and being able to access the community page via each platform for multiple different types of users, connecting our site to the Salesforce support platform. Our team's feedback is very positive, with the reduction in support cases and the ability for users having a better experience, more positive interactions with our team. Also, with the improvement of our database, with some of the other changes they did for us, a reduction in duplicate contacts and some general cleanup there. It's been much more presentable, the data they're viewing on a day-to-day basis, and it's made their experience much better as they use the Salesforce platform. Working with Out of the Clouds, working with their whole team was excellent. Everyone was very, very approachable, very friendly, very professional. All our questions were answered in a timely manner, and yeah, it was a pleasure to work with them.